Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, I've told you earlier, Saturday, March the 19th, 2022, we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I've decided to solve the puzzles left in the edition of Friday, day before, yesterday, not day before. Yesterday, March the 18th, 2022, three puzzles are left. Letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. And tomorrow on Sunday, I will solve the edition of Tuesday, March the 1st. More than 2 weeks ago, yes. There we have four puzzles left. The one-star, the two-stars, tectonic, and the binary. Tomorrow those four, and today these three extra puzzles. All right, let me start with this one. The letter Sudoku number will be number 4281. Okay, and before I start, I always count the printed letters, in this case not digits, letters. 27 letters. Yeah, if you compare with the 1-star, 2-star, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, this will be a 1-star, but for 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes, it's my time limit. Okay, and these letters I can use 9 letters: the Z, the I, the U, the T, the C, the K, the E, the H, and the L. And the goal is to solve this third row. The solution will be a Dutch word, and I will translate it in English. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the L and a Z. We have a Z and L in the last column, so no Z and L in these two boxes. The Z and L goes in those two boxes as a pair, Z and the L. We have a L there, no L there. L should be here, and the Z goes there. Now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, U is missing, and the C is missing. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here, and the U goes there. All right. Then 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the E and the K. We have a E and a K in this column, so no E and a K in these 3 boxes. The E and a K goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. E and a K, E and a K. Let me mark those 2 boxes. E and a K. All right. So we have an L in the third row, L in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We see there an L, no L there. L should be here. Then how about let me see. K in this column, K in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. You see there, K, no K there, K should be here. K in this row, K in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the K should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter E is missing here. The last row, the E is missing. So we have E in this column, E in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the E should be there. E in this row, E in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there. E should be here. Now we have an E here. So this box can't be E anymore. We have the E and a K. So that box should be an E. And this box should be a K. Two missing letters in the last column for the letters. H is missing. And the T is missing. H and a T. We have a T there. No T there. T should be here. And the H, it goes there. Alright. Then, how about four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the T and I. We have a T and I in this row. So no T and I in these two boxes. The T and I goes in those two boxes. As a pair, T and I, T and I. T and I. T and I. So now two letters left in this big square. For the letters, H is missing and the K is missing. No, we have a K there. Z is missing. Yeah, the Z and the H. C and H, we have a H there, no H there. H should be here and the Z go there. So now we have two missing letters in this row for the letters Z and the 8, no, Z and E is missing, yeah. E is missing. Z and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the Z goes there. Z in this column, third column, C in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the C should be here or there. You see there Z, no Z there, Z should be there. Alright, then the T in this column, third column, T in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the T should be there. T in the first row, T in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the T should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing and the H is missing. I and the H. Let me mark those two boxes. Do we have all the E's? And all the E's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter E. Z. How about the U? Well, H. I'm thinking. E. Two missing letters in the middle column for letters I is missing. And the letter U is missing. I and the U. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here and the I goes there. Two missing letters in the... No. We have a here. Also the I and the H. Two missing letters in the second row for the letter C is missing and the H is missing. C and the H. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here and the H goes there. H in the first column, H in the second column. So in the third column, only two places left for the H should be here or there. We see there an H, no H there. H should be here. Do we have all the H's? No. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters Z is missing and the H is missing. C and the H. We have a H there, no H there. H should be here. And the Z goes there. Now we have a H there. So this box can be H anymore. That box should be an H. And this box should be an I. And all the H's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter H. Right. Z. Z. Two missing letters in this column. For the letters Z is missing, and the letter K is missing. Z and a K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and a Z goes there. So we have a Z in this row, Z in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left for the Z should be here or there. We see there Z, no Z there. Z should be there. And all the Z's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter Z. How about a K in this column? K in the middle column. So the column above, the only two places left for the K should be here or there. You see there K, no K there. K should be there. K in the first column, K in the third column. So the column between the second column, only two places left for the K should be here or there. You see there K, no K there. K should be there. Two missing letters in this third row. For letters U is missing and C is missing. U and a C. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here and the U goes there. So we have found the word in Dutch luchtziek in 11 minutes. In English, airsick. Yes, airsick. So now we have one box left in this big square for letter I. I in the third column, I in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the I should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters U is missing and the L is missing. U and the L. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here and the U should be there. L in the third column, L in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the L should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters U is missing and a C is missing. U and a C. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here and the U goes there. Okay. Then how about these two numbers, letters in this row? For letters L is missing and the C is missing. L and the C. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here and the C goes there. L in this row, L in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. We see there an L, no L there. L should be there. Two missing letters in this column, the T and I. T and I. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the T goes there. One box left in this big square for letter T. Two boxes left in this big square for letters I and the U. We have an I there, no we have I there. I should be here and the U goes there. And the final two letters in this big square for letters U and the C. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here and the C goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I've managed to solve this in faster than 15 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku at 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.